In the small village of Devaganahalli, nestled in Bangarpet Taluk of Kolar district, a fascinating tradition takes place every year as part of the Kuruba community's deity festival. Known as the Coconut Miracle, this event draws hundreds of curious onlookers eager to witness an astonishing ritual. During the festival, devotees break 10 coconuts on their heads, chanting Baleri Baleri, and surprisingly, they walk away without a scratch. The coconuts, however, shatter into pieces, leaving everyone surprised. People believe that this miraculous event has a deep spiritual connection dating back to the time when Basava, the sacred bull, visited the village. As the story goes, the village gurus performed a special Bandara Puja alongside Basava, and ever since, this incredible tradition has continued. The coconut breaking ritual is a key part of the Dyavara Utsava celebrated at the Tyaranahalli, Sri Birishwara and Siddheshwara temples. It's not just about breaking coconuts, it's a powerful expression of faith and devotion that brings the community together. Every year, hundreds of people gather to witness this thrilling spectacle drawn by a deep sense of faith and tradition. The event is a remarkable blend of spirituality and cultural heritage, keeping this age old practice alive and meaningful for the community.